Hello, little chefs, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Antoine, and today we're going on a super fun adventure to make the yummiest, fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. First, we need our happy ingredients. Say hello to Mr. Flour, the eggy triplets, and our sweet friends, milk and sugar. Now for the magic part. Let's put them all together in a big bowl and mix until everything is smooth and happy. See? Just like that. Now, we carefully pour our batter onto the pan. Listen to that sizzle. After a little while, it's time for the best part. The flip. 1, 2, 3, go! Perfect! Look at this beautiful stack of golden pancakes. Let's add some fresh berries and a little drizzle of syrup. Doesn't that look delicious? Make sure to ask a grown-up to help you in the kitchen. I can't wait to see your amazing creations. Thanks for cooking with me. Bye-bye.